It is known that most prop firm traders are struggling because you're trying to get rich. And I understand you're trying to get rich because you now have a 25K account, 50K account, 100K account. So you say, I have the capital now to finally get rich. But I'm sorry to let you know, to tell you to bust your bubble, that is the trap. But there is a much better alternative. So instead of trying to get rich through your prop firm account, you can get to this goal much easier, much faster, and it's a much realistic goal, which is to just try to make a living. Just try to make a living. So what does making a living mean? Well, think of it this way, right? Being rich is hey, we all want to be rich, right? But that's more of a long-term goal. A better goal, especially if you're a prop firm trader dealing with these prop firms and their consistency rules and the intraday trailing drawdowns and all these other kind of rules, a better goal is to just try to make a living. So what's making a living? Imagine that your prop firm profits covers your car note. Your prop firm profits is covering your rent or mortgage. Your prop firm profits is covering your phone bill. Your prop firm profits is covering your grocery bill. Your prop firm profits is covering all of your apps and your Netflix and all your other fun stuff and some vacations. Well, at that point, guess what? Your prop firm account is making you a living. It's making you a living, and it's a much more accomplishable goal, especially when you use Take Profit Trader. So I'm gonna show you exactly why I have put my stamp on Take Profit Trader, because their day one daily payout mechanism is the key to you making a living from your prop firm trading account. Let's go deeper. So the doctor is in the building. Let me coach you up. What's going on? Hey, what's going on, y'all? Hey, listen. The doctor is in the building today. For those of you who don't know, Julius Erving, his basketball nickname is Dr. J, right? I go by JD. See what I did right there? All right, anyway, let's get into this one. So, hey, listen. Stop trying to get rich. Stop trying to get rich. It is a trap, right? You know, I'm coming up on a year now of doing this prop firm trading. And what I've learned in the year is that the prop firm game is a game, all right? It's a game. And you know, you come in trading the way that you have always traded. You know what I'm saying? If you were already trading before you got into the prop firm game, you had a strategy, you know, you had stop loss setup, you had times you like to trade. It was different, right? So you naturally brought what you have been doing into the prop firm game. And I saw quite quickly that that's a mistake. That's a mistake, because you have to play the game of the firm that you're going with. In my case, it's Take Profit Trader. So I have to trade in a way to pass the Take Profit Trader challenge, right? And I think a lot of traders don't do that. You don't look at it like that you may have to make a change. And I know it sucks. And I tell people all the time, hey, get your strategy, stick to it, don't make changes. But if you're playing a game, you may need to, right? If you only have $2,000 drawdown, you can only go down 2,000, and your normal drawdown when you had a personal account was 3,000 or 4,000, and that didn't even bother you, right? Well, it's gonna bother you in the prop firm challenge. You're gonna lose that challenge, right? But you're used to handling that drawdown. Your strategy was working with that drawdown, but that may not be the case anymore, all right? So you have to learn to play the game. That's number one, learn how to play the game. But after that, you know, you have to pick the right prop firm, which is why we went with Take Profit Trader in the beginning, okay, in the first place, because of their daily payout mechanism, all right? The daily payout mechanism, this is the key to you being able to make a living from a prop firm, because you can get daily payouts. Because you can get those daily payouts, you can actually make a living. You don't have to try to get rich, right? You don't have to try to make $10,000 a trade. You don't have to try to make $5,000 a trade, right? What do you make on your daily job right now? That's goal number one. That's goal number one. See if you can consistently make that through your prop firm account, all right? But let's get into the nuts and bolts here of how you do it. Oh, also, let me say congratulations. We had another trader. Now, this trader is special because he's saying like, hey, I just dug into your YouTube channel and he took some strategies, took some tips, and was able to pass his challenge. And took out a withdrawal $2,000. So hey, congratulations. We have another successful trader, and it's just a blessing, right? Oh, also let me say congratulations to our first time winner of our 50K giveaway. That felt great. Hey, giving that 50K account away felt great. So we're definitely going to do that again this month. So to enter, you just have to bend and roll with your boy. All right. I am an affiliate. So if you sign up through my Take Profit Trader link, I will get a small commission. There it is. Right. But hey, you roll with your boy. I'm going to keep doing what I can do to help you get through these challenges, like with my free guide, Finally Funded. So if you've been struggling to pass your prop firm challenge, comment below, give me the guide, Finally Funded. Has plenty of tips to help you get over that hump. So I'm gonna help you with the guide, right? We're gonna give away these 50K challenges at the end of the month. And so I'm gonna do what I can do, right? So you do what you need to do, comment below, give me the guide, and then follow what's inside, right? With discipline, right? Now, back to it. Take Profit Trader, why are they the place? Of course, the daily payout. But here's the situation. Once you get through the challenge, all right? Once you get to the buffer, whatever that may be, let's say on a 50, let's stick to the 50K account. You get to the buffer, you've made 2,000. Now everything above now is profit. Here's the new secret, not the new secret. If you want to create a system, where you can take out daily payments, daily withdrawals, so that you can make a living from your prop firm trading account, this is what you do. Now that you're to the buffer, pick a number. Any number is going to be your number, right? Let's say 2,000, right? This will be my number, and I'm gonna tell you why. Once I got to the buffer, so my account is at 52,000. I still would not take a withdrawal yet. I would still keep trading and build the account up to another 2,000. So I really want to see 54,000 in the account. Here's why. After the account is at 54,000, if I was to just say, hey, I don't want to deal with Take Profit no more, I just cancel the account, there actually is $4,000 there to be taken out. 2,000 of it I will get completely, and then the other 2,000 I'll get half. But of course, I'm not closing my account. So let's just say I just want to take a available withdrawal. I got $4,000 cushion, $2,000 I can take out at any time, right? So $2,000 I can take out at any time. Let's say I made it to the extra 2,000 on a Friday. So here we are. It's Monday, right? We have 4,000 cushion total. We got an extra 2,000, right? And it's Monday, and I take my first trade, and it goes for I catch a 10-point run with my 3 contracts. I only risked 2 points and got to 10. Bam, I made 1,500, right? I made 1,500 on that trade. Well, because I have a 2,000 cushion sitting there, there's a process still once you make money, right? So let me go over the process. Once you are in a withdrawal, there's a withdrawal button you hit. You hit this withdrawal button, right? Then they approve the withdrawal, so they take it from your NinjaTrader trading account, and then it shows up in your back office of Take Profit Trader. Then you have to hit another button, right, to send it from your Take Profit back office to your bank or whatever, right? So there's a little process, right? Now you can do this every day. It is a daily process, but there can be some layover, right? There could be some latency, right? Maybe they didn't get the email out of your account fast enough, but you're ready to trade again. See what I mean? Well, if you have a 2,000 cushion of your own cushion there, you can do that withdrawal. You can take that 1,500 out of that cushion, and by the time everything else clears and they get the other money out your account and put it back, bam, you right back to the same cushion, but now you've taken $1,500 off, right? By the time tomorrow comes in, now it's Tuesday, right? Now it's Tuesday. Same deal, we get up, take our trade. This time we only get the 4 points. We make 600, cool, that's it for the day. I took one trade, I made $600. Guess what? I can take that 600 off. Our cushion is back to 4,000. See what I'm saying? 2,000 available for us to take out. Today I made 600, snatch it. I can take that 600 out. By the time now we're on Wednesday, my cushion is back to 2,000. Another trade today in place, and guess what? Your boy hit 10 again. Bam! 1,500. I can take it out right now. Is anybody seeing what your boy's laying down? Make a living, right? Smaller goal, but man, look at the benefits of it. All right. If you one day you snatch 1,500, the next day you snatch 600, the next day you snatch 1,500. Hey, that's killing a lot of jobs. and you ain't rich. Do you understand what I'm saying? You're not focused on getting rich. You're focused on a simple process. Just once you've traded well enough to get to this level, after that, you just stick to your regular trading plan and snatch money daily, right? Snatching money daily is just like, well, it's better than your job, because it's your job, you make money daily, but then you got to wait 2 weeks for the check, right? In this case, you got money coming in every cent. You could, all right, depending, we're going to have some losing days in there, right? I'm not trying to paint this is a happy path picture, right? But of course you're going to have losing days, but overall, I'm saying, right, with this system, that's all. This is just a system, a way to do it, a method that you could use to where you're not trying to get rich. You're just trading and you're taking profit. That's why we go with take profit trader. It's their daily payout mechanism that allows you to make a living from a prop firm, right? And you're not and just think about the stuff that people, I've read some horror stories over the weekend. Actually, wifey was, because I be trying not to listen to it. It's some crazy stuff out here I didn't know that y'all doing it like this in the prop firm industry. It's some beefs going on. It's some prop firms out there be trying not to pay. Man, this company didn't pay somebody. The consistency rule, put it like this, they missed the consistency rule by 95 cents, okay? They missed the consistency rule by 95 cents. I believe they have to wait another 2 weeks or something ridiculous before they can get another payout. And they still can't, that money is like lost. Like because they messed it up, they lost it. So they just got to trade another 2 weeks, then try to get a payout again. No, sir, who does that? Why are y'all rolling with a company that would cost you a whole, I don't know how much the dude had in there, but man, 95 cents and I can't get my check, bro. Come on, man. These other prop firms, I don't know what y'all doing, man. Take profit trader, no such thing. No such thing. I haven't had a withdrawal. Okay, I was finna tell a lie. I have had a withdrawal decline, but I guess it was because I had made 500 and then lost it before the withdrawal went through, which is how I came up with this plan to always give yourself extra cushion. So from that one time that I should have gotten a withdrawal, but then I lost the money before the whole process went through, that's how I came up with this: give yourself a nice $2,000 cushion so that won't happen, so that when you snatch the money, it'll be there. But that's the one time take profit trader declined my withdrawal, and I guess it was legit. I guess it was legit. But just declining my withdrawal because I broke the consistency rule by 95 cents and you keeping my money. Who does that? Sign up with Take Profit Trader right now, y'all. Get with your boy. I mean, just forget the shenanigans, man. These other prop firms out here, they tripping. All right, go with Take Profit Trader. Try this strategy. It will definitely help you. And again, if you've been struggling to pass your prop firm challenge, I have a free guide that people love and it's helping them. It's called Finally Funded. Comment below, give me the guide. I'm going to send that right over to you. But hey, forget these zeros. Go with a hero. Sign up with Take Profit Trader. Get this guide. This stuff is nuts out here, right? But forget about being rich, right? A very accomplishable short goal is to trade well enough, long enough to have a system in place where you can make a living, right? Where you can snatch off profits daily. And this doesn't have to take a long time. You can pass a prop firm challenge in 5 days, give yourself another 5 days to get to the buffer, give yourself another 5 days to build up your buffer. You could be at this level in 15 days easy. And I gave you a whole bunch of extra time with that. I know it can be done faster than that, but let's just say 15 days. And in 15 days, you have a system now in place that can help you make a living online. And I'm not saying run out and quit your job, but think about the potential of if you actually were making a living online, you sure wouldn't care about that job as much. You sure won't be putting up with no shenanigans either. But all I'm saying is take your time, put the system in place, grow it, and hey, one day, I believe we all will be rich. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this one. All right, until next time, my name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the sun. Bye-bye. Hey guys, how's it going? JD here. So we got us a nice little range going here, and we're almost to the top. So we're gonna see if we see what's gonna happen here. Are we gonna break out or are we gonna bounce? We'll see. All right.
Order submitted.
Check out the distance we are away from the 21 EMA. That means if we hurry up and rush up here, we're going to be so far away from the 21 EMA. We should at least have a little, I mean, we're 43, 4 points away now. I mean, if we get up here, if we 7 points away from the 21 EMA, when we make it to this key entry point and we get a nice red candle back down, I'm going short just to ride it back to the 21 EMA. That's it. You know, if we don't catch the ride all the way to the other side, but just back to the 21 EMA for sure with this kind of distance away from the EMA. Let's see what happens. We almost there. Yep. I know how this roll. All right, we're in the zone at this point. Push up, get one more hit. Let's touch that key entry point. Come on, a little more, a little more. Let's get a touch. Strong trend look out here. Here it come. This is a big out of place candle. Looking very SOS-ish.
Order filled.
We're in. The EMA is a lot closer now as far as my plan goes. Let me put my stop where it go. But that signal candle might need that space here. We bounced at the EMA, which is not what we wanted to see. We need this candle to push down hard and fast to let us know what's happening. This will be a high. This will be a high, push down, lower high, set up, push on down, baby. Tell you what, if I get this little higher, low, I'm doubling up right here. If I get this look. Uh-oh, I gotta survive first. It's gonna be close. Last 100 right here gonna show something. Ooh, who gonna take over? Who gonna take over? Who gonna, okay. Sellers kind of took over right at the end there. Push down. Push on down. You know you wanna. Let's get to this other side. Let's get to the far side. Hey, Ty.
Hey, mommy's almost done.
Okay. Say push down for me.
Push down.
Appreciate it, Ty. Here we come. Come on, let's make this lower high. All right. So now we got a high, push down, lower high, right in our zone. We're expecting we're coming to the other side of this range. And that's that. Let's get it. If we break under this 21 EMA, that's definitely gonna be a strong sign.
Order filled.
All right, we in now. Push down. The setup is in place. We got a high, lower high, 2 red candles. All we need to do is push through the 21 EMA and we'll be clear. If it had closed on this low, it would have been better, but it still closed under the 21 EMA, which is key right here for what we're trying to get accomplished. I mean, we want to get away from the 21 EMA. Well, we want prices to get to the other side of the 21 EMA, because if we're under it, we're trending down. We're above it right here, we're trending up. So we need to get under this 21 EMA as soon as possible. Get some distance away. Oh, that's an awesome close. Falling hammer off the 21 EMA, awesome close. Now let's get some space. Get us some space, push down. Here we come. Here we come. Close on your low. Give me one more candle like this and we there. Close on your low. All right. Push down one more candle. Any kind of rejection here be all right. Any little stem, just leave a little stem on top. And then the next candle can make the drop base drop. Cause this is actually looking like a drop base drop. Oh, we can't even go. Okay. All right, I'll take that doji. Push down. Like I said, we need one more big candle or just a huge flush, and we there. Here we come. Come on. Don't play with it. Just be about it. Close on your low. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Ooh. Get it real fast. Push down. Break lower real fast right here. This has been a real slow trend, so I want to get out. I want to get out before it has some type of crazy push up or something. What time? Let me make sure ain't no news coming out or nothing. All right. Come on. One more point. Come on, one more point. Push down. Rally, base, rally. We had to have a little green come, but we just want to need some stem on it though. We don't want no hammer. Little green is fine, but we want some stem with it. No hammers, no hammers, no hammers, no hammers. Ooh, that would be perfect. No hammers. Ooh, perfect. Perfect. That's what you want, folks. Drop, base, drop for the win. That's the call.
Stop filled.
Easy money.
Drop, base, drop. That's the call. Oh man, great trade, great trade. And it's 10. Something must have came out at 10 o'clock. I knew I should. That's why I was like, I should go check some news. Great call, great trade. That's so funny, man. That's so funny. Good trade.